Attorney General Jeff Sessions says the Trump administration will not back down to defend America's right to practice their faith. He is calling out liberal organizations that say religious freedom advocates are engaging in hate speech. Correspondent Wyatt Goolsby reports from the Justice Department. Good evening, Wyatt.
Good evening, Lauren. Attorney General Jeff Sessions is coming to the defense of Alliance Defending Freedom, a Christian legal group promoting religious freedom, sanctity of life, and marriage and family. Sessions is taking aim at the Southern Poverty Law Center, which he says is bullying ADF and other similar groups.
People of faith are facing, I think it's fair to say, a new hostility, and really some of it is a bigoted ideology, which is founded on animus toward people of faith. They just don't like it.
Attorney General Jeff Sessions defending believers last night in a wide-ranging speech at the Alliance Defending Freedom's Religious Liberty Summit.
We also filed a brief on behalf of the Archdiocese of Washington, D.C., which was refused advertising for having a religious message. Give me a break.
He says it's a challenge worldwide.
In the Philippines, 3 Catholic priests have been assassinated so far this year. In June, a priest was shot to death at the altar right in front of his congregation.
Sessions praised ADF's success at the Supreme Court in the case of a wedding cake baker, Jack Phillips. The court ruled in his favor in June, saying Colorado officials had shown hostility to him after he declined to create a custom cake for a same-sex ceremony. The Southern Poverty Law Center, a liberal nonprofit, has labeled ADF a hate group for allegedly discriminating against gays. Sessions says that's not true.
So you and I may not agree on everything, but I wanted to come back here tonight partially because I wanted to say this: you are not a hate group.
Sessions has announced a review at the entire Justice Department. He says a probe is necessary to make sure the department does not partner with groups that defame Americans for standing for the Constitution. This comes also after an announcement that they're creating a religious liberty task force. Lauren?
Attorney General Sessions is getting a lot of pushback. What is his critics saying?
Well, Lauren, the Southern Poverty Law Center issued a statement saying it's inappropriate for the country's top law enforcement officer to lend his support to ADF and other similar groups. They contend ADF supporters are doing everything they can to deny equal protection under the laws for members of the gay community. Lauren?
Correspondent Wyatt Goolsby reporting from the Justice Department. Thank you, Wyatt.